Minting an NFT on the Polygon network using OpenSea is a straightforward process. Polygon is a popular choice for creators because it allows you to create and list NFTs without paying high gas fees, making it a cost-effective option compared to the Ethereum mainnet. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps from connecting your wallet to creating your first digital asset. What the process does: minting an NFT means creating a unique digital token on a blockchain that represents ownership of a specific item, such as a piece of art, a video, or a collectible. The platform uses a method called lazy minting. This means the NFT is not permanently written to the blockchain until it is sold, which prevents creators from having to pay gas fees up front. Steps to mint an NFT on Polygon. Step 1. Connect your wallet. First, open the OpenSea website and ensure you are logged into your account. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Link Wallet. Choose your wallet from the available options and follow the prompts to connect it. You can use wallets like MetaMask to connect directly to OpenSea. Step 2. Create a collection. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the Collection section from the left side menu and click Create New Collection. Upload a logo, enter a collection name, and add a short description. This is a crucial step where you must pay close attention to the blockchain section. To use the Polygon network, select Polygon from the blockchain options, confirm the details, and create your collection. Step 3. Add your digital file. Open your newly created collection and click Add Item. Upload your digital file. OpenSea supports formats like PNG, GIF, MP4, and MP3, with a maximum file size of 100 megabytes. Enter a name and description for your NFT. Step 4. Configure and finalize. You can add extra details such as properties, levels, or unlockable content that only the buyer can see. Under Supply, choose the number of copies you want to create. When you are finished, click Create at the bottom of the page. You may be asked to sign a transaction with your wallet. When using Polygon, this step is free and does not require any gas fees. Once confirmed, your NFT has been minted and added to your collection on OpenSea. Limitation: the lazy minting feature on Polygon is a major advantage for creators, as it removes the financial barrier to entry. However, this model primarily benefits creators who are selling their work. If you are primarily looking to collect or hold NFTs without the intention of selling, you may still need to pay network fees for transferring or managing your assets. This process is best suited for artists and creators looking to enter the NFT space without incurring high upfront costs.